Happening today, the Federal Reserve met this afternoon and, like many economists expected, decided not to raise the interest rates. That's good news. If inflation keeps trending lower, then the experts believe the Fed may even start to cut back on those rates next year. Here's Rena Roy explaining it all.
For the third time in a row, the Federal Reserve leaving interest rates untouched.
Inflation has eased from its highs, and this has come without a significant increase in unemployment. That's very good news.
This after the central bank already raised them 11 times since March of last year. It's the clearest sign so far that the Fed may be getting closer to the end of its rate hiking streak, likely making this critical decision because it believes the economy has been moving mostly in the right direction with inflation cooling. New data shows inflation slowed to a rate of 3.1% last month, down slightly from 3.2% in October.
The lower inflation readings over the past several months are welcome, but we will need to see further evidence to build confidence that inflation is moving down sustainably toward our goal. While we believe that our policy rate is likely at or near its peak for this tightening cycle, we are prepared to tighten policy further if appropriate.
Federal officials say if inflation does continue to slow, they project 3 rate cuts next year. And that would be helpful for borrowers paying off credit card debt or buying a home. In anticipation of potential Fed rate cuts, the cost of a new mortgage is dropping. If you take out a $400,000 mortgage at today's average 7% rate, your monthly payment at about $2,600 is almost $300 cheaper than in October when rates hit 8%. And though these rates are coming down, they're still close to 20-year highs. Experts say even though inflation is down, it is still high, above the Fed's 2% target. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.
While inflation sitting 1.1% away from the Fed's target rate may not seem like a lot, the Fed Chair Jerome Powell says they've still got a long way to go in the fight against inflation, and they remain strongly committed.